How to become Uber Eats driver. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can become an Uber Eats driver, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to become an Uber Eats driver, you have to sign up as a driver with all of your driving licenses and so on, because if you don't have that you can't drive. So open up the Uber driver application, tap on drive and deliver, and then once you open it up, what you have to do is just log into your normal Uber account as you would. Once you log into your normal Uber account, it will give you this option that says welcome, and these are the documents that you have to verify. The first is that you need to verify your profile photo. So select a passport size profile photo, tap on take, or you can choose to upload a document over there. After that, you have to take a photo of your driving license, so make sure that you have the document ready. Tap on take photo, allow the Uber driver application to access the camera, and once you've done that, you'll also be able to take a photo for your driving license. Repeat the process for the vehicle insurance, the registration certificate, and the vehicle commercial permit, and then you will be able to sign up for Uber driver. This way you can become an Uber Eats driver. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.